Hello again and welcome back. So we just did our table, which we have here still, but we're going to just jump into some maths. So I'm just making this bigger. So because we can't see what it says, we just double click. And we've got division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the first thing we need to be very clear on is division, which is dividing, uses this symbol. This symbol is located next to the shift key on your keyboard, and you have to just press it. Multiplication, we use the star, so this would be your times key. Now, in order to use it, you need to press shift and number 8, and it'll work. The addition key is located next to the delete key, and you have to press shift again. Okay, if you don't press shift, you get an equals. Subtraction is the key next to the plus and the and equals. So this is an underscore and this is a subtraction. Alright, so we've got division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and we've got 10 divided by 10. So we know the answer because we're smart human beings, but we want the computer to do it for us. So let's click on E, where our answer is going to go. And what we need to do is go equals, and we can click on the cell, so it's equals B1, and then we press divide by D1, and if we hit enter, it gives us the answer. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. So let's do that again. And we're going to do it for multiplication. Equals B2 shift 8 times D2. This time we're just going to press the tick. And here's our function up here, so you can see what it says. And 10 times 10 is 100. Looking pretty good. So equals, we can type it instead. So instead of clicking, we can go B3, and we can go plus D3. Enter. 10 plus 10 is 10. And last but not least, we can go equals, I'll just click it, enter, 0. Pretty simple. Now again, I mentioned it in the last video, the beautiful thing about this is that now we've created our functions, we can change any of these numbers. So if we want to know what 7 divided by 10 is, we go 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7. If we've got 700 divided by 10, it's 70. If we've got 8 times 8, 64. If we've got 6 times 6, 36. Sorry, 6 plus 6 is 12. I was doing times. But you can see how it's working. We've essentially just created a calculator. So I'll show you another. Let me think. No, that's it. So there's our calculator. Next, here is a little table. So we've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So to find out how much it costs to start to get our items for our drone package, okay, we can go, let's do it this way first, equals plus I missed one, so I'll go back and get it. But you can see what's happening. We're just plussing them together. Pretty simple. And then enter. And there's our total. And if we want that to be in dollars, we press dollars. And if probably want it all to be in dollars. Now, there was a lot of pluses in there, and it took some time. So it's not the best way to do it. So let's go back. Go back to here. I just press Control Z. So you could just go on auto sum because it will do it because it is a plus. So let's look at the sum. We could have typed in a formula equals B4 to B11. So let's do that. So we'll delete that again. So we've got nothing there again. But we want this total to be the total of A4 to B4 to B10 or 11. So equals, and if we just go B4 to 2 dots to B10, you can see it's all highlighted. When we press enter, it hasn't worked. Why hasn't it worked? We've got to tell it's a sum. So I didn't think you had to do this, but B4, B4, 2 dots, B11. There you go. So here is the same sum. So let's do that over here. Equals sum brackets, and this is F4, and this is going to be minus 25, close brackets. So 155 minus 25 is 130. Next one we got times, so we're going to go equal sum brackets, and we're going to go, we'll click, and we'll go times, and we'll click on there, and we'll close the brackets, and we'll press enter. Done. This one we got divisions, so we got the cost of a bus, we'll say it's $2,000, and we'll say that we've got 24 students. We want to find out how many students, how much it costs per head, so equals sum, click on 2,000, divided by the number of students, and it's going to cost $83 per student. Okay? And again, as I've said many times, we can change this data. So maybe the bus is on special on Tuesday and it's only $1,200, so it works out at $50 a student. Maybe the bus can seat 36 students, so it's only $33.33 a student. Maybe we can get our chairs with approximately 20% off, so that they cost 88.50 cents, so that they only cost $708. Maybe we got a $40 off our Mambo drone, and this one didn't work, so we'll just check it again. Equals sum. I hope that wasn't my computer just being so slow. $115. Maybe our Phantom 4 wasn't a Phantom 4, and it was a Phantom 3, and it wasn't a Pro, which means it cost around, I don't know, $789, $798. Okay? We can add the dollar values, and it will still work the same. So Excel is a really powerful tool for storing, manipulating, and changing data. And let's be very clear, data is anything, any content we use, okay? So in Excel, data is generally numbers, okay? It's almost always numbers. All right, that's it. I want you to give it a go. I want you to have formulas for each of these boxes. I will provide them to you. Thank you.